Hello again from a hot Los Angeles evening. Again, my name is Marin Steiner, and today I will be taking us through Interactive Advanced Concept Presentation 2, better known as the day that I saved myself $50 and made my own lava lamp. So let's talk about how we're going to accomplish this tonight. So here I have a plastic water bottle. I went ahead and filled this about a quarter of the way with water to help us get started. I have a bottle of Crisco's Finest pure vegetable oil. I have a container of red food coloring. And then I have a box of Alka-Seltzer. And the Alka-Seltzer will be our reactant for this project that we're doing tonight. So having a lava lamp as a child, I do have some idea of what I think this will turn into. But I'm excited to try it here with all of you. So first, we're going to take our empty water bottle. Once again, it's already been filled about a quarter of the way up with tap water. Next, we're going to take our vegetable oil. And we're going to fill up this bottle about 3/4 of the way, leaving some room at the top. So we're going to try and not spill this. I'll turn the camera down so everybody can sort of see what's happening. Try not to spill this. Perfect. Okay. So now that we have that done, what we see here, if you can see again, so right down here at the bottom, what we're noticing here is that the vegetable oil right here is sitting on top of the water, which means that the water is obviously much more dense than the oil. And so what we see is the oil and the water not mixing, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take the red food coloring and we're going to add about 8 drops into our mixture here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give 9 for extra there. So the next step is we're going to take our Alka-Seltzer tablets. So we'll open this up here. We're going to break it into a few different pieces. So you can see what I did here. So we've got a couple different pieces of the Alka-Seltzer. I've put them on the table so it's easier to see. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the Alka-Seltzer and put it in the bottle and we will see what happens together. Starting to see some bubbling. Add another couple pieces here. Definitely starting to see the bubbling. I'm not seeing the food coloring as much. I wonder if we added some more food coloring, if that would help. Give it another couple seconds to get that going. So Alka-Seltzer is basically a brand name for sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar is acidic. So what we have here is an acid, or the vinegar, and a base, the sodium bicarbonate. So because of that, then that's why we're seeing a reaction. And when mixed together, a chemical reaction is formed, as we can see here, but it has a limited reactant time. So if we add more pieces of the sodium bicarbonate, once the bubbling stops, we can start the reaction again. What we're seeing is the bubbles coming up, and the bubbles coming up are actually carbon dioxide, just similar to what we breathe out every day in individual air. So we're starting to see it. Wish we could see the food coloring a little bit more, but unfortunately it's not coming up like I want it to. Let's see if I mix it around a little bit, if that helps. I mean, we're definitely seeing the food coloring at the bottom, but it's not quite mixing as I would. Oh, there it goes, actually. Now we're starting to see that. I don't know if you can see it as good as I can from here. Let me pull it back. We're starting to see it a little more. Let's see if we add a little bit more of the Alka-Seltzer tablets, how that goes. I don't want it to overflow, which I think will happen if we keep putting the Alka-Seltzer tablets in. Yeah, we're getting a good reaction now. So, yeah, I think that's about the best we're going to be able to do. I'll throw a couple of these more in so we can still see. So we've got a pretty good reaction going. So there we have it. We've made a do-it-yourself lava lamp, and I hope everyone has a great week, and I look forward to coming back soon to demonstrate another project. Bye for now.